Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the lovely lab. All right, guys, so listen. I participated in, well, I should say I hosted it as well, I don't mean to toot my own horn or like my grandmother would say, or chime my own bell. But over at the Maker Exchange, we do, starting this year, we're doing monthly swaps. So if that's something you're interested in and you want to get in on the action, I suggest you head over to, down in the description box will be a link to the Maker Exchange Facebook group. And you too can be a part of our wonderful creative community. All right, so anyways, for the month of January, the swap was handmade Valentine's Day cards, and I mentioned before, we have people who sew. I think they call them sewists, not sewers, as I've been corrected. We have knitters, crocheters, painters, gardeners, cooks, or bakers, I should say. Shout out to Felicia, because I myself am not one of them. And a host of other different media artists. And this month we swapped handmade Valentine's Day cards. And so I sent mine out to my swap partner, Sierra. Sierra, if you're watching and you want to share an Instagram or Facebook page where you show your work, or even if you have a YouTube page, I don't think you do, but I think you should, feel free to drop it in the comments, and then I'll make sure that I go into the private comment box. Well, sometimes they pull them over into a different area when they have links to them, but I'll make sure that it's public if you do. Anyway, so Sierra and I swapped again this month. She was my swap partner for last month, and I think something happened with her swap partner, so I went on ahead and took her as mine. So this month, and I haven't even opened it yet, and so I just covered up our addresses, because y'all don't need to know our addresses unless y'all plan on sending us some crafty stuff or dropping by during the summertime with like lemonade or sweet tea or something like that. There's no need for y'all to know where me or Sierra live, okay? Or anybody else on YouTube. There's some crazies out there. And I'm not calling y'all that. I'm not assuming that. I'm just saying we have to be very protective. Who knows? One day I could walk in here and somebody could be sitting at my desk crafting away, and I didn't even invite them. Nevertheless, so let's just see what Sierra has sent me. Ooh, just such goodness in here. Let me make sure I got all the contents out. All right. Okay, so look. Oh, how cute is this? Look at the pocket that she made out of a bag. This is just for you. Let me make sure I'm in focus here, because quite often this camera is a little sketchy. I got to send this back in for repair. Anyway, so she made a bag. She made a pocket out of a bag. I love the way you did that. And then she added a little lace here and some scrap paper with a little sticker that says "Go with your heart." That's right. Okay, and then can I just point out once again Sierra's penmanship, or her calligraphy? Hello. And I always like to point that out, because you'll never see that from me. Never. Ever. So while we have it in front of us, let us celebrate those who have honed the art of calligraphy. All right, I'm not going to read that. Oh. I'm going to read it anyways. Okay, it says, thanks again for swapping cards with me. A friend and I dedicated a Sunday afternoon to do Valentine's DIY crafts. That is so sweet. And these cards are what I came up with, plus a couple of other things for decor. Anyways, hope you like them. I also made a little pocket thing out of a gift sack. The idea was from I'm a Cool Mom. Shout out to I'm a Cool Mom on YouTube. So I decided to give it a try. I got to go check out her channel. I think it's really cute. I can't wait to give them to my pen pals with all their goodies inside. Yes, Sierra, this makes a great pen pal or rack holder. Absolutely. And then there's a little washi. Look at that. Look at that handwriting. All right. I mean, even her regular everyday handwriting is something to be commended for. Meanwhile, I'm slanting all my letters to the left like I'm still in second grade. I'm left-handed, so that's just how it is. It's how it's gonna be. Anyways, okay, so some felties, some extra felts I had. Gotta love the dollar store. Yeah, we do. Unfortunately, when I went to my dollar store, there was nothing there except for Valentine's Day candy. There was in cards. There was nothing else Valentine-y at all. Okay, and so this has inside, Josh is hovering over me, although he should be in class right now, sitting at his desk getting some classwork before the next class starts. He is hovering, watching what Sierra sent me, everyone. I just want to get everybody say hi to Josh in the comments, because clearly he has his own channel. I don't know why he got to be slipping all the way over here. Anyways, okay. Ooh, how cute. I love this. Good, because I don't buy Valentine's Day-ish craft supplies. I just don't. I don't. Or Halloween. I really don't. If I do, it's very sparingly, because I don't do a lot of the crafting in there, you know. So, ooh, it's got quite a bit of, and then it's got the, make sure I'm in. Thank you so much, Sierra. Yeah, I definitely will be using these. I probably should go on ahead and make some cards up for next year. I still had some left over from last year, this year, so I used those. But I should go ahead while these are on my desk and make up some cards, and that way I ain't got to try and remember and pull out stuff and figure out where all of the craft supplies is at. The few that I do have for Valentine's Day. Oh, the rants that I go on. Anyways, oh, look at, and she always does such a sweet job of decorating the envelopes. I mean, sometimes I can go overboard with the whole stamping. I really just need to do mixed media journals instead of trying to pour it all onto an envelope that's going out in the mail, you know, because it can get wet. But nevertheless, Sierra does such a wonderful job with hers. Okay, so let's look at the first card. Be Mine. Oh, how cute. And then it's got the little felt and her beautiful handwriting. Yes, because is that washi behind there? It kind of looks like, let me see if y'all can see what I'm talking about. See that edge? It's not, I don't think this is paper because it has a bit of a sheen to it, if you can see. It almost looks like washi. I don't know. So we've got the craft card. This is cute. And then she's put the Just For You on the back. I love that one. And I love the various doilies. This is really cute how you did that. Josh, he want to slide over here so bad. When I get excited about something, here he come. You know he want to come over here too. I got to hurry up because this next class is starting. And y'all don't need to hear all of what the teacher be talking about. Is that the, yeah, that's the ELA teacher. Anyways, I love the way you decorated the outside of this with the doily, and then you cut it a little bit and put a little off to the side, and then we got the glitter. This is a card. I mean, this could very well be a card sitting like that with a sentiment on it. Don't give me any ideas. Oh, wait, do I got this right? How cute. Is that washi? It's like a banner of hearts. Here's Josh coming right behind me, guys. And I could put a sentiment down here or in the middle. But I like it just the way that it is. That is really cute. I really like that. And then this is the red cardstock. So those are my cards and my goodies that I received from Sierra. Thank you so much, Sierra. I always enjoy swapping with you. I hope you have received your package in the mail. And I'll see you around on the Facebook group. And again, guys, if you are interested in swapping with us ladies, and I think it's mostly girls over there, feel free to drop in the description box and hit that link below so that you can join us over at the Maker Exchange and, you know, get some new action going in on your mailbox, right? Now, if you are new to the channel and you liked what you saw here, feel free to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the crafty uploads, the demos, the reviews, the journal making elements, and me ranting and chasing squirrels and rabbits and, you know, the everyday conversations of a mother who crafts and homeschools and works from home and, all those other things, right? Anyways, so hit that like button, and until we're back here again together on YouTube. Y'all stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative in crafting. And listen, the vaccine is out, but please continue to wear your masks, wash your hands. 6 feet. 6 feet from people you're not sure of their tests and all that other stuff. And take care of yourself. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.